Hey guys, how's everyone doing? It's Glenn over at Perfection Wheels. We just finished up this brand new Ram for our friends over at Douglas Dodge in Clinton, Illinois. They wanted some upgrades, so we went ahead and installed a 6-inch zone lift kit on it. We then, of course, put some 20x10 Fuel Triton wheels on it, and we wrapped them in 35-inch Nitto trail grapplers, and we thought we would finish it off with some nice rock lights. So if you guys are in the market for a nice Ram, check out Douglas Dodge. This is a beautiful Ram.